Meet the Mazda Flare Wagon Tough Style, a compact K-car that combines urban practicality with a playful edge. This XT grade model is shown in a striking Sora Blue Metallic two-tone finish, gunmetallic roof, giving it a distinct look that's sure to turn heads in the city. Beneath the hood, you'll find a 660 cubic centimeter DOHC VVT turbo engine, delivering 64 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 98 newton meters of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with a CVT featuring a 7-speed manual mode, this front-wheel drive setup offers nimble handling and an easy, responsive drive, perfect for navigating busy streets or tight parking spots. Despite its modest size, the Flare Wagon makes the most of every inch. It's cleverly designed to maximize interior space while maintaining excellent maneuverability. Inside, there's room for 4 passengers, and with a wheelbase of 2.46 meters, everyone enjoys ample headroom. The cabin layout is thoughtfully planned, with practical storage areas and a comfortable seating arrangement, making daily commutes or weekend errands a breeze. Fuel efficiency is also a standout, with a WLTC rating of around 22 kilometers per liter. The 27-liter tank means fewer trips to the gas station, an added plus for city dwellers looking to save on running costs. All of this practicality and style comes at a listed price of $17,000. Compact, fun, and designed to fit your everyday needs. This is the Mazda Flare Wagon Tough Style. Discover how it can transform your city driving experience.